will try this. Oh my gosh, grabe yung juice.
Oo, bagong harvest.
Parehas na pala sa lansones, mas malaki lang. Ay, Maria, that's a seafood. Sarap.
If you try our durian, you will like
Ikaw ba
it.
yung ganyan? Dami-dami.
Nga, yung mahilig ni mama talaga. Parang,
Naka-styro yun ha.
May,
thank you so much.
kaya lang, frozen yun.
May
Okay
frozen
lang po.
at saka isang pack na fresh.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Maraming salamat. Hindi ko gaano matutuwa si mama. Thank you.
Happy kasi man. Hello, lansones har.
Ate Shi, pagalit nila.
Naaking kasirisan.
Sana makapunta ka sa kanya.
Naaking kasirisan.
Marami ba? Gano'n po pala may burger?
Ate Day.
Yung ano,